Welcome to PNK Stocks YouTube channel. Today we'll see a scalping strategy which can give you more returns if you work half an hour or 1 hour in a day. Very easy, simple to understand, anyone can trade. See this nifty index chart and there are two lines drawn on a candle. If you trace out this candle, then this entire stuff is your profit. Is that good, right? How to identify this candle? Similarly, when price is at the bottom, if you identify this candle, this entire stuff is your profit. Similarly, a candle on the top, then market down. Is it possible to identify this kind of a candles and then start trading? This candle and breakout to this one. See, all these are 3 minutes charts. You can work this strategy either 3 minutes or 5 minutes. 3 minutes would be preferable. So we work this strategy based on SMMA. We know that, right? Moving average. This is called smoothed moving average. Nothing but moving average itself, but it avoids the zigzags of the moving average. Let us see now what is that and how we can work with that. This is the moving average, and price will attract this moving average, and price will work and move with the moving average. So this is called SMMA, smooth moving average. Price works along with the moving average, so price will touch with the moving average. That is the SMMA. SMMA works as a magnet to the moving average. So whenever price moves down bit below to the SMMA or moves up above to the SMMA, then price needs to come and touch the SMMA and need to walk along with the SMMA. So this scalping strategy is very simple, very easy. You can start work from tomorrow. But again, losing money is very easy than earning money. So that is the reason I always say that do a paper trading, then work with very less equity quantity. Once you get a confidence that your strategy that you are working is more than 60%, 70%, then only you need to work. So if you want to follow mine, then do paper trading, then work with the less equity. But if you want to watch this video and want to work from tomorrow, then go and consult your financial advisor. I strongly feel that he also says that don't work from one day or whatever, that you saw the video, then you need to work. You need to practice a lot. Things can't be learned in a 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, single day, 1 week, 1 month. Need a lot of practice because market will show you all kind of emotions. Now see the 3 minute chart, and the line, this sky blue line is the 3 SMMA line. So most of the time price will run with the SMMA. But see here, one candle moved above to the SMMA. That is the candle, trigger candle for us. Once this trigger candle breaks down, then that is your entry point. And this is happened, almost at the close of the business. But see the next day, such a big gain that we got. Still you can work on this candle as well, but main intention is the next candle should get into the moving average. That time accuracy will be more. See this candle, next candle moved inside and walked along with the thing. So if you are working with the trend, you are following the trend. If market is up and you find this, then your hit rate is more, your success rate is 90% or more. If you are working against the trend, then still the strategy will work, but you will be getting 1 is to 1 kind of a thing. See this? And you got 1 is to 1 kind of a thing. You can even trade this as well. On the top of it, then 1 is to 1. You can trade even in this. This is got big thing. This is against trend. Market is falling. 1 is to 1. Market is falling, but still you got bit more where you can trade here as well on the downside. See here, Nifty bank chart. SMMA line, this candle plotted below to that. In general, to say below to the SMMA, if a candle plotted, that means you can think that is a oversold. That means price will start moving up. If a candle prints on the top, that means it we can say that it's a overbought and price will fall down. So hope you understand this thing. Price moved 1 is to 4 or 5 times. See here, you got it 1 is to 1 because price is up and this is the you are working against with the trend, so you got 1 is to 2 kind of a ratio. See here, you got an entry and this is the big stuff that what we got. This candle formed on top of SMMA. See the fall. Whenever you see a candle, before you placing the trade, just draw two lines. If the next candle breaking this, then you need to get on to the next candle. And when the next candle breaks down, then that is your entry. And for entry and SL, put 1 or 2 points more than that for Nifty, at least 5 points more for Bank Nifty. Entire stuff is, your profit. This will work on stock as well. But for stocks and all, if you want more accurate thing, work with along the trend, not against the trend. If market is falling and if you see any overbought candle like this, then you can make a big profit. Market is down, somehow this is a pullback kind of a stuff. This is an entry. If you see candlestick formation also, this is a harami, bearish harami pattern. See the fall. Candle on top, you can say overbought. Then there is a red candle breaking this. Both candles combined together, bearish engulfing. You can see a big fall. A candle formed on top of the SMMA and you can see a M kind of a pattern. On breaking down on this, it's taken few more time. As a 3 minutes, entire stuff might have got only 30 minutes. You got a success. See this candle formed below. And then next small candle. This is bullish harami candles. See, instead of green candles, I plotted blue. That's the reason. Your entry on top of it, see the big gains for you. So for this 3 minutes time frame works most appropriately. You can still work with the 5 minutes also. Main stuff that bullish stocks that we need to work only when candle plots below to the SMMA, 3 SMA. When you are working on the bearish stocks, you need to work when candle formed on top of the SMMA. This is for stocks, but for indexes, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, you can plot index charts and you can work both the sides. You are working on towards the trend, then you can have 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 4, 1 is to 5 also. But if you're working against the trend, then 1 is to 1 or 1 is to 2 is the maximum that you need to gain and get out of the market. Now let us see this, how this will exactly we can plot, see in the charts and how this will work. This is my trading view platform, and if you go here, just type SMMA, smooth moving average. When you click this, you will be getting this. Put appropriate color that you like, and in input section put only 3 here. You may be getting 9 or 7 something as a default, but put this and then save this as a default, so that always when you plot this you will be getting that. So as we saw on the Nifty thing, see the small candle formed below to this. All these candles are not touching. So what you need to do, you need to plot a line here. When next candle breaks below to this, you should not enter on the buy side, right? You need to put the same line below to this. When next candle breaking this, you need to put a line below to this. When next candle is not coming below and breaking above this line, then that is your entry. Just bear with me, my drawings. See the profit. Same thing happened here. All these candles are touching. Only this candle formed on the top of the SMMA. Even if you enter here, exit here, you will be getting 1 is to 2. If you see point wise, it's very less points. So what you need to do, if your candle size is very less, you can work with more lots. If candle size is bigger, you work with very less lots. Profit anyway will be one and the same. For 100 points Nifty, if your profit is 5,000, then you are working with 10 lots Nifty for 10 points. That again comes to 5,000. So you need to plan based on your risk reward, based on your capital. So this indexes stuff you need to work on at the money CE or at the money PE. Here you need to buy at the money PE on the below to the candle. See the price 21,584. So you need to work at least 21,600 PE that you need to buy. You need to wait till prices get inside to the SMMA and you can exit. Or else if you see another candle and getting inside, you can take a reverse side. You can buy, see here, 21,331, 21,300 ATM that you can buy CE, you can work. Better go with the weekly strikes. Similarly, Bank Nifty, same kind of a stuff. Big profit, candle, big profit. Hope you understand how easy this kind of a trade. See a candle plotted on top of it and followed by a red candle. If you see this, it's very successful. Below to this, your entry. See here again. This is evening star kind of a candle. And again M kind of a pattern. Anywhere your entry here, 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 entire this stuff is your profit. So people are searching for strategies and strategies. My suggestion, work only with one strategy and master it, you'll be getting profit. This is entry and SL. From here your profit is up to here. Sometime what will happen, if you are working with the reverse trades, you will be getting 1 is to 1 kind of a profit. This candle again formed below to this and given a 1:1 kind of a profit. Even as a scalping trade, you will be getting, you have three indexes and seven stocks in your portfolio. You will be getting 15 to 20 trades in a day. So even you are doing a scalping, maximum you need to do 5 trades in a day. If you lost first trade, if you lost second trade, if you lost third trade in a scalping, then close your system. Don't work on that particular day. And first trade is profit, second trade is profit, third trade is profit, then close your system as well. See, your SL is very less, your profit is bit more. So what you need to do? Work with very less quantity and find out how successful this strategy is. Once you feel that it's a successful strategy, then you start working on it. Let us see now some stocks. See this candle, price is moving with the SMMA. Only here a candle printed on top of the SMMA. That means we can think that it's a overbought or retracement, the maximum high from their market fallen. Entire stuff is this. So what is your target point? If you see any candle printing without touching the SMMA, you can exit. So here you need to exit. As your profit is more, if you want to book half of the quantity here, let us even you can work if your trade is with the trend. Tata Motors. And timings to work on this is 9:30 to 11 and 1:30 to 3:30. That time you will be getting lot of successful trades. See this candle printed on the top of it, and this is called bearish harami. See the profit. See this candle also printed, but this is a bullish sign. We need a red candle on top of it, and on the bearish side. On the bottom you need a green candle. See this candle. You didn't get much profit, but when price entered inside, you need to get exited at cost to cost. So in the scalping side, you may be facing one or two SLs as well, but you work day in day out at least 5 trades in a day, you can pocket very good profit. Say I work 1,000 rupees loss and I want 5,000 in a day. One trade getting successful 1:3, 3,000 will be you will be pocketed. Then next trade I'll be working with taking 2,000 profit at home, and I'll risking only the 1,000. 500 rupees SL, and I'll be aiming for 1,000 or 2,000 rupees. See, plan your own rules, how you need to proceed a day, what is your capital. I can't say based on your capital, right? Now, I'll be planning my own way with my capital, what kind of capital that I am having. But I'm giving as a scalper, you should aim for more profit with less SL. This is the strategy will work very well. See here again, a candle plotted below to the SMMA. This candle should not touch the SMMA. That is the main criteria. You have a candle here as well, but there should be a bullish candle breaking on the bearish candle for our upward trend for buy entries. Red candles, a blue candle break in this high. Here also candle formed not touching the SMMA. But again we see a red candle, again red candle. When you see a green candle breaking on top of it, that is our entry. Let us see another stock. See, first candle formed here, but second candle again we have even higher. So we need to take this entry and we need to put entry here. At the time our SL is on top of it. And for entry and SL, put 1 rupee below, 1 rupee above for 1000 rupee stocks. If more than 1000, then based on that you need to work. See the profit. When you see a candle forming like this, bullish candle, and next candle is breaking this, better exit here. If you see 1 is to 5, you got easily. Before you exiting, candle jumped up to here. If you count the points, then you'll be getting lot of profit. See here, red candle formed. Next blue candle broke in this. Count this size to size. You got 1 is to 2 or more. You can't find risk to reward anywhere like this. See a candle with 25 paisa. See high and low. This candle 25 paisa, and see the reward. See a candle size 70 paisa. This is your profit. That is Bharti Airtel stock, BPCL stock. This candle formed outside the SMMA, and you can see this candle called a bearish harami candle. Once this candle broken, you'll be entering in this and see the profit. You can trail it up to here. A candle formed outside and a candle got inside. You can plan up to here, or else any reversible candlestick formation. This is a morning star candle kind of a formation. So hope you understand on this strategy. Another trade here. After red candle, bullish harami kind of a candle breaking on top of it. The breaking candle, if that touches the SMMA, you will be getting a good trade in that. So hope you understand the strategy. As we get every Saturday video, my sincere suggestion, if you want to be successful, master only in one strategy. If you are searching strategies in internet, you will be finding hell lot of strategies, but every strategy is unique and every strategy will give you SL as well. Don't jump onto strategy on strategy. Decide whether you are a long-term investor or you want to earn for your monthly income kind of stuff. So this strategy only for a living monthly income kind of a thing. You need to earn every day to accommodate your monthly expenses. So practice this strategy. I'm working on this strategy even more to avoid some more losses and get more than 80% or 90% accuracy. And if I find anything, then next Saturday I'll be publishing that video as well. So please do subscribe if you are a newcomer. I have more than 100 videos in my channel, and if you start from there to now, I'm telling you more than 5 lakhs of worth courses information is in my channel. If you go outside and learn something, that is almost same or even my videos are better than that sometimes. So do subscribe, like my video, watch completely and put a positive comment. I'll be coming back with another video next week. Bye bye.